Okay, so for the Riemann hypothesis, okay, so you got this is what you're supposed to have over here. So whatever wants to know why the zero lands on the chart or whatever, or why the zero lands on the line, whatever. Okay, so I've been doing this for months, all different kinds of stuff. But okay, so anyways, it's based off a circle zero. But anyway, so zero is your starting point. The prime numbers would be nothing without zero, and it's 0 through 9. It's not 1 through 10. That's where you got zero counts. Zero is everything. And without zero, there would be no balancing point or nothing. Okay, so now if you want to know why on every 10th, why every 10th the zero lands on the line, I can tell you because it'll do that for infinity until you get to until not every zero. Okay, the 10th will do it for infinity on that line for no matter what, forever. But when you get to 101 to 109, which will make a chart right here, it goes off the chart. It goes off the line. So if you want to know why, that's why it won't. But if you want to know, I didn't fuck nothing up, but sorry. I'm not no mathematician. I'm a fucking dropout. Long story short. But then also you got, when you map it out like this and stuff, you'll have every one of one's prime numbers forever, or all of its numbers, all of its numbers, all of its numbers, all 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 its numbers. For infinity, you'll have every single one of those numbers if you keep going in the circle. And this way, it's a never-ending cycle because 10 is the next one down. Or 10, bam, bam, bam. But so like, if you start, so your zero is your starting off point. So there's your line. So I'm acting like that's the same as the hypothesis. And that's AI told me it is. So if I go down through that, every one of those zeros will land on this line from the starting point of that first starting zero for infinity. Now, they will, but not every line will be on the zero, or not every zero will be on the line, because, like I said, the first ones that go off the line is 101 to 109, but 0 through 9 is your starting off, so that's another sequence that matches, it's telling you something right here. But if you're still in your circular pattern, there's nothing off. It's still balanced out completely. The only way it's going to look like it's unbalanced if you come out into a chart form, and then at 200, it'll do it again, so you have another line for another chart. And then you start up at 210 again and go down 300 and do another one. And so for there, I don't know. I got to get this stuff out. My nigga.